We will create a workflow that will mark your promotional emails as read, so you never have to go through them ever again. The first thing we want to do is add the trigger, and this we will do on message receive. I have my Gmail account connected and it's listening every minute. So you want to double check your n8n subscription to see how many executions you have, because those executions will add up fast. So in this example, we're doing promotional emails. You can also set this up for any other type of email that you have to mark as read or to flag for you. And this one will go to mark as read for promotions. But say you had important meeting or you're taking emails about deals, you can kind of filter those out. So we have it set for every minute here. The next step will be to add the agent. Here we can run the previous note. I sent myself a test email, so it shows up here for the example, and you can see, hello, get the promotion for a limited time only. You are eligible for this great opportunity. It is the greatest opportunity you have ever seen in an email. Hurry and take advantage of the promotion, blah, blah, blah. So I sent this to myself, and now we can go ahead and adjust some of the parameters here in the agent so that we can tell it what to do and what to look for. We want to change the source, and we can drag over the email ID, the subject. So again, the agent's looking at the subject and it's looking at the information in the email. So it should be the snippet. Another thing we can do is add a system message. So this is basically telling the agent how to behave. And what we can do here is just write kind of what we're looking for. So you can see here I've written in some of the information to give the agent direction and to tell it exactly what to do and what I'm looking for it to do. So again, you can change this depending on what you want to do. So right now I'm filtering out promotional emails. If you're searching for something or flagging something, you can easily just change this to suit your use case. Next, we'll add the model. So you can pick whatever model you want. I like to go with the 4.1 mini. It's more cost effective. Just filtering out something as simple as promotions, this can easily do the job. So now we can move on. And now we want to go ahead and add the Gmail mark as read. So we'll go ahead to tool here. We will search up Gmail and we'll go ahead and do the operation, which is mark as read. And for the message ID here, we want this to be dynamic. So we'll drag in the message ID and we'll execute the step. And there we are. So if we come out here and we run the whole workflow and we go in, and it says, so I have marked it as read. So the email I sent myself about a promotion being a limited time only, etc., the agent went in based on the message that I gave it and went into my inbox and marked it as read. So if I go over and check my Gmail right now, that email is marked as read. This is just a super simple tool. It took a couple of minutes to set up, and it just gives you an incredible amount of time back. You don't have to go and filter through and do this all the time. Everyone's trying to manage their inbox. If you see a promotion, it's just like mental fatigue, thinking about it, clicking on it, deleting it. This is something that can do it for you and give you so much time back. So I hope that this gives you a taste, but also you can implement it in your own life, and you can also adjust it for your own use case. But it just shows you the power of these agents and automations. So I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.